Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and we're walking right behind the Audubon Zoo here in New Orleans. And if you didn't check out the Audubon Zoo videos, check them out. It's a two-parter series uploaded last week. Butterfly Park is located right behind the zoo along the Mississippi. It's literally a 1-minute walk from the zoo to the river. This is going to be a short video. I just wanted to show you what was back here. It's more of a local visiting place. Not too many tourists come back here, but it's a shame they don't because it's a pretty beautiful park. It's a nice place to walk. There's some shade back here. Of course, you have the beautiful Mississippi. Just a great place for a short stroll. Just a reminder, this is Cray Cray the Crawfish from Louisiana. He shows up somewhere in all my New Orleans videos, so please help me find him. Be the first to spot Cray Cray in this video and leave a comment below with the timestamp you spotted him, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video on this channel. As we walk in the shade on this very hot day, just to give you a quick glimpse of the layout here, that's the Mississippi River, obviously, on the right-hand side. To the left of us, across the parking lot here, are huge fields of grass where multiple games of either soccer, football, baseball, there's basketball courts here, lots going on, but there's just lots and lots of fields, open fields on the left-hand side. And on the other side of those fields is the back of the Audubon Zoo. We're in the northern end of New Orleans. We got here via the Magazine Street streetcar, and that was about a 20-minute ride from the French Quarter. The sign says closed for repairs, and that's probably a good thing. Between that walkway and the guardrail, it looks like this part of the park's going to just fall into the river any moment now. We'll head back to the main walkway and see if we can get closer to the river a little further up. I normally don't walk on grass, but hey, it's a park. It's supposed to be walked on, right? Let's see how close we can get to the Mississippi without actually getting wet. This walkway is obviously in better shape than the one that we saw before, but the river's further away, and that might be the reason why this one's doing a little better. And by the way, it's called Butterfly Park, but I've yet to see one. It appears from here that you can walk right down to the riverside. There's no barriers or anything to stop you from doing so, and I don't think there's any rules or regulations either that prevent you from doing so. The walkway's a good 5 or 6 feet above the river level right now, and I'm assuming it was built as part of a levee system. The whole park, I'm sure, is part of a levee system, and as you go further away from the river, the ground gets higher and higher. Don't forget, with the exception of the French Quarter, most of New Orleans is under sea level, so it floods extremely easy, as seen in Katrina. This area would be one of those areas that floods. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.